Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up a cherry chocolate fudge cake. It's a very simple cake and it is delicious. Everything you will be needing for this will be in the description box. And it's just a few ingredients. But I hope everybody's been doing well. I know I've been missing in action here, but I've been so busy. Every time I try to catch a break here and get on and because I just love to bake. I do it at night, but there's always something has been going on. But I got a chance, and I'm going to do this with y'all. Some of y'all may have made this already. It's such a simple cake. You don't need any oil because your pie filling will take care of that. And I'm just using a box of your regular cake mix. I'm using the chocolate fudge. And then we're going to add in our 2 beaten eggs. This is such a simple cake. There's nothing to it. Go ahead and get your oven preheated to 350. And I'm going to put in... Now, if you think you don't like almond extract and you like cherry, this is not going to overpower it. It just enhances the flavor. It's really good. But we've got our almond extract in there. And just 1 can of your fruit filling or topping, the cherry. I got the one that has, I think, 30% more fruit, but the regular one will work. And we're just going to put this in there. You're not going to beat this up. You're just going to gently fold everything together until everything's mixed in. Get your 13 by 9 lightly oiled or sprayed with your cooking spray. And we're just going to get this mixed in, trying not to break up those cherries. Okay, I got that all mixed up. Mixed it up gently, just making sure you're scraping the bottom. Make sure you don't see no dry mix there. And then I got my pan lightly oiled. And I'm just going to get this cake batter in there. Let me know in the comments if any of y'all have tried this. This big old bowl. Get that all in there. But I'm going to get this spread out. Got some more here. Scrape this out of here. Get it spread out evenly as possible. Get it into your oven. It'll bake probably 20 to 25 minutes, just until you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. Then we'll get the icing started. Another simple one. Okay, y'all, the cake is done. It baked for 25 minutes. You're going to let this cool completely before we get the icing on it. So once you know your cake is just about cooled down, you'll get your icing started, and we'll get that going. Okay, now here in my pan, I have my butter, my milk, and my sugar. My cake is just about cooled. So you're going to keep stirring this until once you see this come to a good boil, probably over medium-high heat, you're going to let it boil about 50 to 60 seconds, maybe. You want a good boil on that. And then you time it once it starts boiling. Okay, you can see that boil there. Time it when you start to see the boil. 50 to 60 seconds. Keep stirring, okay? Okay, mine went for 50 seconds, I did. Because I was doing a pretty hard boil. That's hot. Now you're going to add in your chocolate chips and let that melt. Get it stirred up, and we're going to get it poured over the cake. All right. Now, if you don't want to put the icing on it, you don't have to. You can eat it just like that. or maybe some powdered sugar over it. You can do this with different fruits. The pie filling, different cakes, different toppings, mix and match them. So I'm going to go ahead and get this, pour it right over that cake. Start this way. And then you'll let this icing on this just set up till it's nice and firm. And to speed the process up, you know what you can do. Stick it in the fridge. It's like a fudge. It's so good. And I'll just spread this out. And we're going to let this set up. And we'll be back with a slice with y'all. Such an easy cake, but a delicious cake. Okay, my friends, there is the cherry chocolate fudge cake. I had some of those maraschino cherries there. I just put one on top of it. But there it is. Doesn't that look delicious? With a cold glass of milk. And the cake, it's so easy to make. You know, it's not hard at all. But I'm going to get a bite here with y'all. And it's very moist. Oh, no, you don't. That fudge frosting's trying to get off. Oh, that's good. But there it is. Guys, give that a try. Like I said, you can mix and match your cakes and your fruits. Make it, you know, something different that you may want to try. But as I said, everything's in the description box, what I used. That's about it. I hope you guys give it a try. Stay blessed. Love one another. God bless y'all. Be good to one another. Take care of one another. And we will see y'all soon. Bye-bye. Make you some cake. It's easy. Bye-bye.